Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 11th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, if you've been following along with my videos, you probably had some pretty profitable trades today, like I did. The pound dollar never did break structure. I mean, it kind of tried to break structure, but it was definitely a rejection of structure. The pound GDP news made the impulsive move down after one, two, three waves up. Very, very, very nice entry to go short today. And then the U.S. inflation CPI news continued this downtrend. So we have a Fibonacci retracement on this last move down. I do think that the downtrend is still active. We closed below the 38%, so I would think that it would go down to at least the 50%, which means that I am definitely looking for more three-way pullbacks. I'm definitely watching my Fibonacci levels very closely for three-way pullbacks and impulsive engulfing moves to the downside for the continuation of this downtrend. Until we actually go up and break structure, I'm definitely still looking for longs. I'm not looking for longs. I'm looking for shorts only, and I'm looking to go short on these shorter time frames. So checking out tomorrow's news calendar, we do have yo inflation, not inflation, but yo interest rate coming out tomorrow, and they are predicting to lower by a lot. So that could be a pretty dramatic move up for sure. And we do have some dollar news tomorrow. We got PPI news, we got unemployment news tomorrow for the US dollar, we got the press conference for euro. We got somebody speaking in Switzerland, and we got 30-year bonds tomorrow. So definitely a pretty another pretty full day on the news calendar, which is great news for us. So, anyways, definitely don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.